Guys, David Rishka here with the Success Keeper, and I am here every single day recording a brand new video to motivate you, to inspire you, and to help you with marketing online or offline. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell button right next to it also, so that you get notifications every time I release a new video. And in today's video I'm gonna be talking about a value ladder. So sorry about that. What is a value ladder? Value ladder is, for example, I'm gonna show you this value ladder over here. Have you ever had a situation where you had received a postcard in the mail, and the dentist was inviting you to come over for a free cleaning, free teeth cleaning, and you got so excited? Maybe you didn't have insurance, but you said, "Hey, free teeth cleaning. Okay, let me take advantage of that." So you went over there, and the dentist is looking at your teeth, and he says, "Well, do you smoke by chance, or do you drink a lot of coffee?" And you might say yes or no, and then he's gonna offer you whitening, right? Because you don't want to have white teeth. And he says, the dentist can say, "I can build you a trays, whitening trays, you know, and within few weeks you will have nice white teeth." So most people go for that. Nobody wants to have yellow teeth, right? Then the dentist keeps looking in your mouth, you know, at your teeth and examining, and he finds out that you have a few crooked bottom teeth, and then he offers you to build a retainers for you so that your teeth are nice and straight again. Okay? And then he might offer you another cosmetic works, and yeah, you walked into the office to get some free teeth cleaning, but you are walking out with a bill for few $1,000s because you purchased the offer, the whitening, retainer, and cosmetic. So that's what I mean by value ladder. And Russell Brunson explains this fantastic graph in his book .com Secrets. This graph is actually drawn by Russell Brunson himself, and I'm using it to show you a example. And why am I talking about the value ladder? When it comes to business, any business, whether it's online or offline, if you are like me and you are starting, or you started a online business, you have to get people to the door. You have to throw a bait in the water and get them to your website. So you offer a bait, like the dentist was offering a free teeth cleaning. So for you it could be a free ebook. Okay, so they give you, they're on the website, they see an ad somewhere, click on the ad, and the next page opens, and you offer them a free book. For example, how to make money online, right? You had an ad somewhere on Google or YouTube or on Facebook, and the ad said how to make money online. So people clicked on it, and on the next page it said, get your free ebook, and learn how to make money online. And in exchange you will collect email address. So they will enter their email on your squeeze page, and automatically it sends the email to your autoresponder. I'm using Aweber, but there is a lot of other different types also. So you collect the email and you send them the ebook. Most people email them digital ebook. Some people mail them actual hard copy. But now you have the email address from them. So what you do is you send emails on a daily basis or every 2 other days or 3 times a week, and you send them a value through the email. You send them some kind of information through the email and offer them, at the end of the email, you offer them another product. Okay, and that would be your front end product. The front end product is usually around $19 to $29. Most companies break even or they even lose money on offering this front end product, and that's again getting people to the door, just like the dentist did when he offered you the free cleaning, right? You were sitting in the office and he had you over there, and now he was offering you another products that were more and more expensive. So you do the same thing over here. Once you collect the email for the free ebook, now you can send them and offer them the front end product, which could be a membership for $30. Okay, now they are members on your website, and you keep sending them email every day or every other day. Some people even send 2 emails or 3 emails every single day, which is a lot. But from those emails, you offer them another products, more and more expensive products. You have the middle offer, and then you have the back-end product over here. And the back-end product could be anywhere. I've seen back-end products for $10, $20, or $30,000. Okay, so you start with free ebook, then you offer them. You might offer them a $30 membership. Then you offer them another level of membership in your company, which could be, let's say, $2,000. And then you're gonna offer them the backend product, which could be between $10,000 and $50,000 or even more. Okay, and that's how you make money. That's how you make really good money. This is the smartest way to make money, because if you compare it to, let's say, you wanna sell informational products on ClickBank. Most products over there are between $20 to $70, and how many sales do you have to make $1,000, right? You gotta make a lot of sales for $50, $60, $70 a pop to make $1,000. But with this value ladder, if you understand it correctly, you might have the same customer and you might collect $30 from him, then down the road you collect $2,000, and then maybe $20,000 from just one person. It's so much easier to sell to your existing client or customer than keep looking for and advertising for new customers, just like you would do for advertising products for ClickBank or JVZoo or some other companies. Okay, so this is what I wanted to describe and talk about in today's video. It's very important that you understand this formula and this process. Many companies operate with the value ladder, and here is another example for your business. If you have online business, see, you can even offer, instead of free ebook, you can offer them free quiz. People take free quiz, they opt in to your quiz page, they give you email, they will take the quiz, and then you can offer them free book. And it could be actual hard copy book, and they will just pay for the shipping cost. Okay, now you have their email and address information, so you will send them another offer. They already bought from you, so they trust you, and you will offer them another product which is a little more valuable and more expensive, and that you will make more money. But you already established a connection with this customer, a trust, because they already bought from you. Like I said before, it's so much easier to sell to somebody who bought from you in the past and they were happy with your product. Okay, Apple is doing that over and over again. They started with iPods, selling iPods. Then they started making, and before that they had computers, laptops, MacBooks and stuff like that. But then when they started creating iPods, and then they started selling iPhones, and then they started selling what do you call it, the not the notebook, but iPads. Okay, so you had iPod for a few $100, then you had cell phones for 800, $900, then you had iPads, which was even more expensive, then you have computers, you have iTunes. Okay, and that's another example how they get people through the door and keep selling them more and more expensive products. So it's extremely powerful that you understand it, and if you are really trying to make money online, I highly recommend to sign up with company like I did that have strong front end product that they offer, like over here. And that's what they have with the legendary marketer that I am involved with. We offer them when we advertise. It could be free ebook, like I said before, or quiz. Then we send them the membership for $30. Then you have different levels of membership, which could be $2,000, $5,000, $10,000, $50,000. Okay, and that's how you make. That's the best way and fastest way to make money. So go ahead and watch this video if you need to watch it again and understand it and have it penetrate your brain. So some people have to watch it like me over and over again, a couple times, 3 times, to really understand the concept, but it's extremely powerful, and that's how the most successful businesses run. They have front-end product, and they have the middle product, or several middle products, and then they have the back end where they make the most money. Okay, so anyways, this is it. This is what I wanted to talk about again, because I want you to understand how the most successful and the most profitable businesses operate, and the system that they have in place. Okay, and also ClickFunnels is a company that it's a software company where you can sign up and you can build your own funnels. It's very easy. You just drag and drop. I think they have a free membership for a couple of weeks. You can go check it out. I'm gonna leave a link below this video, and you can create your own funnel where you can offer people different products. Okay, so anyways, thank you for watching. If you didn't really understand what I was talking about, go ahead and watch the video again. I highly recommend getting the book, the .com Secrets, also where Russell Brunson is talking about this system right in the beginning of the book, because it is one of the most important thing that you should and need to understand when you start a business. Okay, so thank you for watching. This is David Rishka with the Success Keeper. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you tomorrow with my another video for you. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and take care.